We need a mug. We need sugar. We need Kool-Aid. And I gotta put some water. I'm gonna put the water, the cup of water, in the microwave. I'm gonna let it get hot. I'm gonna put it on 1 minute. Okay? So while that's getting hot, I got my Kool-Aid. I got my sugar. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna add my sugar before I add my Kool-Aid and mix it all up together. So that way the sugar, the heat, and the sugar can combine so the sugar will dissolve in the hot water. Then I'm gonna add my Kool-Aid. Then I'm gonna taste it and see how sweet it is, right? Oh, it's hot too. Okay, we're gonna add some more sugar. If you like yours real sweet, then you go ahead and add some more sugar. But add the sugar while the water is hot. So that way, it's going to go ahead and dissolve. And then once you get it as sweet as you want it, then you can add your Kool-Aid. Boil your water on the stove and add your sugar, mix it all up. If you want to make a big container, add your Kool-Aid, your pack of Kool-Aid. After you get your water hot, add your sugar, okay? Mix your sugar and water together and mix it up so it dissolves good. Then you add your Kool-Aid. I'm about to add the Kool-Aid to the water. Mixing the Kool-Aid. Now I'm stirring it up. We got our Kool-Aid. My glass of ice. Mix it. Kool-Aid. And you just pour your Kool-Aid. You got you some Kool-Aid. Just that simple. 1, 2, 3. Get your straw and mix it up. I gotta add some more sugar. So you can have you some good old-fashioned Kool-Aid in the wintertime.